こんにちは皆さん。私修二と妻のエイリーンのチャンネルにようこそ。
How are you guys doing? We started the day with a hearty Okinawan breakfast by the beach at the hotel. First stop is at the Yomitan Pottery Village. It is an adorable little village that is comprised of a series of small houses, kilns and shops that sprawl over a small hill in Yomitan, just north of Kadena Air Base. Upon arriving, you park in a well-marked lot and then meander by foot along the single paved path that connects all of the shops and studios. Yomitan Village, abundant in natural beauty and known for its rich cultural backdrop, is where many craftsmen and artists reside, including Ryukyu glassmakers and potters. Yomitan's Yachimun no Sato is a pottery mecca with numerous workshops and galleries. Among artists working there are living natural treasure Jiro Kinjo and his group of artisans. Yachimun no Sato is the only remaining place on the island with multiple step kilns. Workshops in the village are often complemented by cafes and shops displaying and selling works by the resident artist. Then we drove over to Kadena Sky Lounge, where there is a 4-story building, the 4th floor of which is the observatory floor. From there, we could see US Kadena Air Base and got a good look at some of the military aircraft landing and taking off. In addition, we also got cool Kadena Air Base souvenir shirts from the ground floor shops. Finally, it was time for a good lunch at A&W. And I highly recommend the chubby chicken at A&W, hands down.
このビデオを見てくれてありがとうございます。ぜひ YouTube チャンネルに登録お願いします。また新しい動画が見れるように通知ベルをクリックしておいてください。次のセッションでまたお会いしましょう。
If you enjoyed watching, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Also, if you hit that bell button, which is right next to the subscribe button, you'll be notified whenever I post a new video. You can find me on Facebook and Twitter, all of the links down in the description box. Thank you guys so much for watching and hopefully I'll see you in my next one. Bye!